In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed on your Wix site. By the end, your latest Instagram post will display right on your page, keeping your site fresh and visually engaging without extra work on your part. All you need is an existing Wix site open in the Wix editor and access to the Instagram account you want to connect. Start in your site's Wix editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want the feed to appear and give yourself a little space on the canvas so it's easy to place the gallery when we add it. If you're using sections, decide whether the feed will live in your homepage, a dedicated social page, or your footer for site-wide visibility. Look to the top left of the editor and click the Add button. It usually looks like a plus icon and opens a panel with elements and features you can place on your page. This is your toolbox for adding text, images, galleries, and, in our case, apps. In the Add panel, navigate until you find the Apps or App Market option. Depending on your editor view, you might see it as App Market, Apps, or similar. Either way, you're looking for the place where you can search and add integrations. Opening it will show a search bar along with featured options. Use the search bar and type Instagram. You'll see options like Instagram feed from Wix or other Instagram gallery apps. Choose the one you prefer, then add it to your site. If the app lets you drag the element straight onto the page, drop it where you want it to live. You can always move it later, place it within your content area, and resize it by dragging the handles so it fits your layout and doesn't crowd nearby elements. Once the feed is on the page, double-click it to open its settings. A pop-up will prompt you to connect your Instagram account. Click to connect and follow the authorization steps. You may be asked to log in and allow permissions so the app can display your posts. After you authorize, the app will pull in your latest content automatically. Give it a moment to load and you should see your posts appear right inside the editor. From here, you can fine-tune layout in options like the number of columns, spacing, and whether captions or buttons show, so the feed matches your site's style. If the feed looks empty at first, wait a few seconds for syncing to finish. That's it. You've added and connected your Instagram feed to your Wix site, and it will keep updating as you post on Instagram.